How did we get here? How did we lose our way? The streets are filled with hatred and rage. The people spoke and the politicians fueled the fire. The anger grows and our country fades. The enemy lines all drawn on the protest sign. Brothers and sisters dying in the streets. Climbing the walls of the Capitol is not the way. This is not the face of our democracy. Where's the bully that caused the pain? His division and fire is all to blame. Brother to brother, we have to stop the foe. It's time for love and understanding between us all. The world is watching and our children see the flame. What happened to the God bless the USA? We're divided and losing sight of what makes us great. Don't tread on me, never fill me with so much shame. Where is the bully that caused the pain? His division and fire is all to blame. Brother to brother, we have to stop the foe. It's time for love and understanding between us all. Insurrection on Capitol Hill tells us everything. Another sad day in America's history. We were brought together by terrorism and on 9/11. Then we find ourselves divided on conspiracy. Where is the bully that caused the pain? His divided and fire is all to blame. Brother to brother, we have to stop the foe. It's time for love and understanding between us all. Democracy falls today, not on my watch. Democracy will never fall away. We're rising up together, we're gonna fix it all one day. Preserve this democracy.